Mr. Quinto, number 30. Pass number 2, De Los Aires. 3 seconds violation. Mr. Orlando, dribbling the ball by Mr. Orlando. Orlando set the play pass on to Miran Mr. Orlando. 3 by Mr. Orlando. Number 8, Juliano to number 30, Silver. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 2, Steele. Soriano ng mga direct. Layup is good by number 21. Number 2, time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 30, Ito. Push up, it's good. By number 30. Last 2 minutes. Number 22. 22, Mr. Morales na nakakasahan pass number 21. To number 23, Victor Reyes. Wala. Offensive rebound number 10. Basket count on you, number 10. Foul on number 2. Pushing foul. Sabrek number 51 out, number 43. Luayo in. Ball shot, wala. May Mr. Rosso pa rin. Still Mr. Juliano. Kaninong balagan? RH ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 22, Mr. Orlando. Mr. Orlando, mid-range shot. It's good by Mr. Orlando. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Q2, pass number 8, Juliano, back shot, no good. Rebound by number 24, number 21, and last. On last is number 10. Awesome, mid-range shot. Wala. Rebound by number 23, 43, rather. Last 1 minute. Number 2, De Los Aires, mid-range shot. Wala. Offensive rebound number 10. Wala. Number 8, Steele. Number 21. Wala. 35 seconds remaining. Number 11. Push up. 2 points by number 11. Time remaining 24 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Same ball po tayo. Time remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds.
Sino ba yung...
Ibo, 10 seconds remaining. Number 24, Titiran Tres. Wala. 5 seconds. Wait for the master. End of the first quarter. Basket tayo. Basket tayo by number 24. 3
Okay.
points.